Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 RAV4 SE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV in a stunning galactic aqua mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter i4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Also included with your RAV4 is the blind spot warning indicator right on your side mirror, as well as your fog lights and that color that you really have to come in and see in person. Why don't we go on in and take a look at the interior features. Helping you into your brand new RAV4 is your proximity key. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have that turn signal indicator on your side mirror. Now we're going to lock the doors up here, and I'm going to put the key in the back pocket, and we're going to just simply put our hand on that handle, and the door will unlock for you. Perfect, so you won't have to fish for your keys now. Nice height to your RAV4, plenty of space to hop in. You also have that beautiful skid plate to protect your vehicle. On the side here, we have your power windows and your power locks. And over here, we have your power adjustable side mirrors, as well as that great feature, your heated steering wheel for those cold winter months. Your side lane departure warning is also there. Included with your RAV4 are these all-weather floor mats. Perfect for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. Making sure you're nice and comfortable while driving, you have your power adjustable driver seat. And the interiors are absolutely stunning because you have this beautiful soft black leather and that great orange trim for that extra pop of color. And letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide sunroof, which really does change that driving experience, especially in the summertime. But why don't we hop on in and take a look? Starting up your RAV4 is easy with your push start. Simply foot on the brake and hit that button there. The dashboard's going to light up. We have this great sporty feature with your leather wrapped steering wheel and all your steering wheel mounted controls, like your volume control, hands-free calling, and your mode changers. You also do have your cruise control down here and your dynamic radar cruise control option as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Built into your RAV is your Entune 3.0 system, which is really super fun to use. So with your RAV4, you have your navigation system, which is really easy to use. Come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. And with your audio, you have your AM, FM radio, your Sirius XM radio, as well as with your hands-free calling, you do have your Bluetooth audio as well. Just to make sure that you have those tunes with you everywhere you go. Down here, we have your dual zone climate control, perfect for setting a specific temperature for the driver and the passenger. And it is a little bit dark down here, but what we have is your drive mode, so you have your eco mode as well as your sport mode. Then you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Again, perfect with that heated steering wheel on those cold months. We have your heated side mirrors, as well as your auxiliary and USB input, and your 12-volt DC charger. Some little convertible storage down there, as well as your cup holder. And let's get a better look at that sporty collection of leather trim and chrome detailing on both your shift knob and your parking brake. Opening up your center console now, you have that small shelf for convertible storage, as well as plenty of space underneath for anything you want to keep inside. Again, nice and versatile with that shelf open for you to make sure you don't forget to grab anything before you leave. And we're seeing that beautiful black leather with that orange trim. Underneath we have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need for anything you need to know about your RAV4 and to keep anything else that you want in your vehicle. Plenty of fun things happening inside your RAV4, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. Taking a closer look now, you can see that your backup camera is available down there. You can also open the tailgate from underneath that Toyota emblem, or you can use your handy fob and hold that power liftgate button and it'll slide open for you. Taking a closer look inside, plenty of space to carry all of your family's needs. We have some convertible storage right here, just some little pockets to store anything small. And then of course underneath here, we have your spare tire and all the tools and jacks you need in case anything does happen. I've also placed your tonneau cover in its special storage compartment in your RAV4 so you don't have to put it in your garage or keep it somewhere else. It can always be with you. But why don't we take it out and install it into your vehicle. Now that we've installed your tonneau cover, you simply just pull it when you're all done loading up your SUV, latch it on the side, and it works perfectly to keep all of your stuff nice and hidden. And it simply rolls back. Now these seats do fold down as well, so let's take a look. That's what it looks with the one side folded down. Now with both sides folded down, you can see all of that convertible storage space you have available to you in case you need to carry any larger items in your SUV. So closing up that power tailgate is super easy. Simply press this button here. It'll warn you that it's starting to come down. And we'll watch it roll down as we take one more look at the back of your RAV4. Taking one final look at your 2018 RAV4 SE. Some other great features I didn't get to mention was that sport suspension and that power steering with the all-wheel drive all together really does bring you that ultimate driving experience and helps you battle those Alberta roads. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.